Hey guys, just a little disclaimer. These shots are not real. They are reenacted for entertainment purposes only. Thank you and have a great day.
Oh no, he crashed! What are we gonna do? Oh no, he fell. What are we gonna do? Sir, are you okay? Okay. Do you want me to call an ambulance? Okay, I'll call one. Oh, what a nice day at the station, you know? Just got the truck all cleaned up. Nah, light's still not installed, but that's all right. So, you know what? Let's take a look outside. It's been a while.
There's a manhole.
What, there is?
Yeah.
Where at?
Right there.
Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna go, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's get on the engine. All right. Where's the keys? There's the keys. All right, let's go. Sir, are you okay?
No.
All right, here, have a seat on the engine, all right? Have a seat.
Where?
Are you hurt anywhere?
My foot.
Your foot hurts? All right, let's take a look. This hurt?
Yeah.
That hurt? All right. Let me get a medic down here, all right? All right. Station 110. I'm gonna need a additional medic to the scene. Okay, thank you. All right, the medic's on the way.
Dispatch, you can cancel that.
All right, we're gonna be back in service because. So let's go back to the station. I'll honk at him and say bye. All right, let's roll. Guys, that's all I have for you today. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.